breeze.
Leemen Upfit here. Today we're going to be doing a 2-minute tailgate about this rough country 50-liter fridge or freezer. Inside it has a cutting board that locks into the top right there, and 2 baskets on the inside, one bigger, one smaller one. It also has an LED light on the inside of it, and the lid can flip to the other direction depending on how you want your vehicle. It can go from -4 up to 68 degrees, and the handle can extend. Right now it's set at 40 and it's running. On the front side, you have a USB port right here so you can charge your phone. And it's powered by the new Rough Country solar panel that can plug in right here. A 110 outlet that can plug in right here. And a 12-volt cigarette plug that could also plug in right here. Right now, it's running off its own rechargeable portable battery. We have them in stock, so if you want one, just let us know and we can ship it to you.